got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
I'm in that jump. Bad kill for me. Ain't got a sugar.
Right now it's on half hour. Half hour, yeah. They take about 10K each.
Oh yeah,
500 on. It's the ones down there on the ground.
Those big ones.
Yeah. So it's barely been moving on. No, you can touch it. It's it's cold as these.
I couldn't even smell all cool air coming at the back.
No, yeah, I play all motherfucking day.
Oh yeah.
barely hot. Yeah, barely. You fell them. And motherfuckers barely even hot.
No, they ain't. What ones are those? The
They're the team ones.
Team, okay.
Yeah.
Are they out on the side and everything?
Yep.
Okay,
They're
like
about 125 a piece.
What?
125 pounds.
That's it?
Yeah.
Hey, look like that weigh a little more than that.
Try to pick it up. Shit. Ain't no joke. I haven't really seen any Sundowns no bigger than that, nothing like that. Running all my subs.
One per sub. Do they go down to a half or?
Yeah, they'll
okay. This thing it's beating the whole time. No problem. I thought it was gonna get hot in there for a minute, as long as you played it.
I play. That's why I like too much shit like that. So it ain't real high or low, right?
You can enjoy it. Yeah, you can enjoy it the whole time.
And I can go play for 2 hours and I have to wear my damn thing.
Yeah, you ain't gotta let it cool off and all that extra stuff. Where can they find you on social media anywhere?
Facebook, there's Blur Vision Audio, www.blurvisionaudio.com, TikTok, whatever, all of it.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna tell you down below, man. That's not this one of the cars right here.
This is just right on these. Oh yeah, this cars, stickers, whatever.
Yeah. Appreciate it, bro. Yeah, man. That's my first time getting a Blue Vision demo, man. Yeah, man. I'll be sure to tag you, bro.
Yeah.
Fine video. Appreciate it, man.
That gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.